Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to post a blog article on the B2B Sunshine Coast website and then take you through some of the different post types that's available to our members on the directory website. So let's jump straight in. As you can see, I've just come to the homepage of b2bsunshinecoast.com.au. First thing I've got to do is I've got to log in. So I just click on the option here at the top, member login. Now, if I've synced my Facebook or Google account, I can log in via those platforms. Otherwise, you're welcome just to use the email address and password that you created with when you first set up the account. Don't worry if you've forgotten. Just use the click here to recover your password. Now, once we come in, we can now see the member dashboard. Now you can see that now this is a completed profile. I don't have those warnings at the top. As soon as I come in, I can just see the different publish options that I have, because that's now the main thing I want to do when I come to this website is publish content as a member. But I can always go back and manage my listing if I want to. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that there's a lot of options I have here for publishing content. I can do blog articles, I can share events, I can share products, I can create a sub account, which is another business, or maybe I want to share like a podcast or a training platform or a business group that I'm a part of that I want to promote within my one subscription. I've got that option as well. I can promote job listings, I can share videos, I can do podcasts and audio files via SoundCloud, share coupon codes, photo albums, and even start discussions as well. So I've got all the options when I'm in that top tier. If you would like to upgrade to a top tier, you just do that down here in account and click manage account, and you can actually upgrade through your dashboard. So anyway, today we're going to publish a website blog article. So first thing, I do intend to publish it because this is actually an article that I already have on my website, so I'm happy to publish it straight away. So I'm just click on yes. Now, the article is actually directly from my website, so I'm actually just going to put it here on the right so you can see. So I'm actually just going to simply copy and paste what I already have on my website and share it in this directory. So let's just copy that title, the persuasive selling format for websites. This is just actually it's more of a how-to guide around persuasive selling format. I'm just going to publish it today, but you can predate this if you want to based on when you originally had written in the article. And then enter smart tags that will be helpful for search on the directory as well as on Google search as well. So all the articles, all the content that's published here is searchable from search engines. So I might want to have stuff like website design, the actual persuasive selling format. People are searching for that. Copywriting. Right, and you might have other words that are related to it as well. Once you've got those smart tags, just copy it and then put it down here in this kind of SEO data section as your meta keywords as well. Similarly with your title, persuasive selling format for websites, just put that down in your meta title as well, and that way you know that as the article is shared via search and on social media that the details are spot on. Alrighty, now what we're going to do, if we pull up that article again, right, let's copy this image. So I'm just going to save the image, just on my desktop is fine. And then that way I can just upload it from the desktop, and now I can reuse it for this one as well. Cool. Now with the copy, I'm just going to copy and paste it. So let's grab it down. This one's just a simple article. It's not too complicated. So I'll just copy, put in, paste. Now the editing, in terms of formatting, I might want to just change this up a little bit because I'm not quite happy with how that looks. So I might change it to that, change it to Arial. I might change the whole thing to, actually that railway looked alright. No, it's not coming up. Alright, we'll just go Arial. Right, so I just jump in, change the look of it a little bit, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. Right, bold. Now for this, you can see that I might want to actually add an article back to my website, so people do want to find out more. So if I can jump back into here, right, I might want to pull the original article, right. You can notice here as well, I've actually got a downloadable item that people can have access to. So I'll just go back to here, just kind of copy that link address, paste it here as well. Cool, and given that's a call to action, let's bold that as well. Cool, so I'm happy with this, right? In terms of the meta description, let's just take the second sentence here just for this example, right? Cool, so now I'm happy with it. So I've got, it's published, yes, I've got the title, I've got the image, I've got what category it's part of, the published date, I've put in some smart tags, the article content, yeah, I'm happy with all this, and I just click Save Changes. And that's it, I've now posted the article, right? So it will take me here, but if I just go back, I'll now see all the articles that I've published, right? So simple as that, I can just go on, add another one, pull it from my website, and within maybe half an hour to an hour, you can probably add, half a dozen to a dozen articles onto your profile page, and just gives it that extra visibility. Now, of course, it's not just website blog articles I can post. So if we go back to my dashboard, we can add events, right, which is really straightforward. Same thing, yes, publish, put in an event image, title, the category. Does it repeat, right? So is this like a weekly networking event? Maybe it's a monthly event, or it's just just a one-off. Start time, end time, put in the details, the external web link, so where your bookings page is. Maybe it's a Facebook or LinkedIn, or maybe using Eventbrite or Meetup, but you can put those details in here. The price as well, venue details, description, bang, save changes. Let's go back to my dashboard. But that's the same with everything, right? So if you just click through, like videos, right? Same thing. You can jump in, choose maybe it's a case study, drop in the link, those tags to make it easier for search. You can option if you want to put the location, you don't have to, and then the description of what the video is about. Click Save Changes, and then it's there. Cool. So what I might want to do now is let's just see how it looks now that it's been published. So I just click on that. If you saw that, the big blue button here, View Public Listing. Now this is what my page looks like now that it's published. So I can see that. So I'm a verified member, all the background details, contact, and now my article is here as a stream, right? And if I add videos, events, it'll just be added to this stream as a bit of an ongoing list. And that's it. This is as easy as that when it comes to publishing content onto the B2B Sunshine Coast website. Great, thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions about publishing content or you have any issues in publishing content on the website, please do reach out to us anytime. The email address is hello@b2bsunshinecoast.com.au. Thanks.